Okay guys, here we have the Elite Go from AVerMedia. It's a 100 watt USB-C charger and USB-A charger. It's fast charging, but it also has a HDMI capture card, so you can use it for capturing gaming on the go, which is what I'm going to use it for. Okay, let's open this up. See there, you can see the diagram. You can put your tablet or computer USB into there, and then it will do an HDMI out to a monitor. This could be a switch, which I'm going to use it for. So here, oh no, sorry, here it is. iPad, phone switch going there. You can have your keyboard and mouse, whatever, microphone, and that goes to the screen. And that's a charger for your laptop. So it's like all in one on the go. Let's see what you get inside. So this is the unit here, very small. This is obviously a United States adapter. There you go, you got it's labelled up there, you can see. Very compact, so that's good for travelling as well. Let's hope you have other adapters in there. Okay. So what do we have? We've got a USB-C cable, which is great. That's a European plug, which is good for travelling. What else do we have? We have a normal adapter, that's the one I want. So yeah, I'm going to give that a go. And yeah, hopefully it's okay.